Mwaramutse. Welcome. Bienvenue. Mahoro, aka hano. Ndishimye kongera kubabona. Hi, Aka here. Great to see you again. Today's topic is drumroll, Indamukanyo. Greetings. In the morning, we use either one of these two words to greet someone. 1. Mwaramutse. 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 2. Bwakeye. 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 For both of these two words, the other person replies the same thing. In Kirundi, we don't have a specific word we use to say good afternoon. Instead, we have one word we use for both afternoon and evening. Mwiriwe. 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 And the other person replies the same thing. We also have greeting words or a group of words that can be used at any time of the day. 1. Amahoro. 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 This word means peace. And the other person replies Amahoro or Nimeza. Nimeza, which means it's all good. 2. Amakuru maki. Amakuru maki. This is the equivalent of saying what's new. And the other person replies Nimeza. And then we have less formal words. 1. Vite. 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 2. Gute. 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 For both of these words, the other person replies Nisawa. 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 Here are some words or a group of words that we use to say goodbye. 1. Bayi. 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 2. Nahejo. 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 3. Tuzosubira. 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 4. Tuzosubira ejo. Tuzosubira ejo. Tuzosubira ejo. To say goodnight, we use Ijoro, ryiza. Ijoro, ryiza. Ijoro, ryiza. The other person replies Twese. 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 Good morning. Mwaramutse. Nawe, your turn. Good afternoon. Mwiriwe. Nawe, your turn. Good evening. Mwiriwe. Nawe, your turn. Peace. Amahoro. Nawe, your turn. Hi or hello. Vite. Nawe, your turn. Goodbye. Bayi. Nawe, your turn. Good night. Ijoro, ryiza. Nawe, your turn. Good morning. Mwaramutse. Good afternoon. Mwiriwe. Good evening. Mwiriwe. Peace. Amahoro. Hi or hello.
bite.
Goodbye. Bayi. Good night. Ijoro ryiza.
Akazi keza. Good job.
That's all for today. Stay tuned for more videos.
Bye. Bye.